guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing super well. So I have a really exciting video for you guys today. I have partnered up with Stationery Pal, which is super cool since I am always buying stuff from there, and I was so happy when they reached out to me. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a huge Stationery Pal haul, and make sure you stay to the end of the video so you guys can find out about how to enter the giveaway I'm also hosting with them. So to have some order to this haul, I have separated everything into categories, so if there's anything that you guys end up liking and wanting, then just be sure to comment and I can comment back with the link, because you know there's only so many links I can add to the description before it gets like full. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and also don't forget to get a snack or a drink or both and just get super comfy. So I started off with pens and pencils first. Now these first two are like mini stamps with a fine liner on the other end, and I have basically been trying to finish my collection because I have the rest of them. I think I still have a few to collect, but so far, including these ones, I have 5 now, and I love to use them for my bullet journals, for like tasks and stuff like my weeklies. And then the 2 pencils that I've been wanting to try out, because they are not like a typical looking pencil and it almost looks like a pen, and they don't need like sharpening, so we'll see how I get on with those. And then I got 2 mechanical pencils. I always love stocking up on these because I draw so much, and the green one actually has a thicker lead, probably the thickest lead that I've owned, so I can't wait to use these. So moving on to washi tapes, I got some random individual ones I thought were really cute, and then I also got a few sets as well which are so stunning, and I'm just looking forward to using these on the channel, especially the ones at the beginning with the like oriental type patterns. The colours are just so pretty. I also love this brown craft paper washi tape as well. I've had this one before and I really like using it for like titles and subheadings in my bullet journal, and honestly you really can't go wrong with like a craft paper washi tape. It's really good to just have some like basic ones as well that you can always write over the top of, or just for decoration and layering, and I definitely don't need to add to my washi tape collection, but I'm going to continue to do it anyway. Here I have papers like scrapbook papers, sticky notes, and just note papers in general. I am so obsessed with papers, and I always end up adding these to books, bullet journals, and just little notes here and there. And one that I'm super excited for, that I've been meaning to get for quite a while, are the clear post-it notes, so I don't have to actually write in my books, especially if I'm like lending it to someone else or just showing someone something. I can't wait to use these for annotations, and I'm always writing stuff down, and I like to keep notes on my bedside table, and they're just really good for scrapbooking especially as well. These brown and black papers are so beautiful and I can't wait to use them. I don't know if I might use them for like letter writing or for scrapbooking things in my journal, but they are definitely one of my favorites. This little pack as well, it has so many papers in there, and I love the fact that they vary in size, so you can layer them or rip them. Okay, so moving on to probably my favorite stickers, and another thing that I really don't need any more of, but will continue to get them anyway. Most of the time I end up using stickers for my weekly spreads just to jazz them up a little bit, because I do make my weekly spreads quite simple so I can just get stuff done during the week. Like, I don't really have much time to make it super special or to do any drawings, so I love using stickers to make the weekly spreads look really nice. And I just love the details on the little food stickers. I think they're so cute, and the home ones as well. I'm definitely enjoying home decor way more as I get older, so these appeal to me very much. And then I always like to have some practical stickers on hand, so these ones coming up, I have so many of those, but I always make sure to have date ones for calendars mostly, and then there are some really cute days of the week ones. I have them for calendars as well and for weekly setups and stuff. And then the last category is just random miscellaneous stuff that I thought were really practical and really cute and would come in very, very handy. I have one of these little tiny crate storage boxes already, so I thought I'd get another one to kind of clear some of the little stuff off my desk. And I have never had one of these geometrical stencils before, and I think it's about time that I got one, so I can just make my bullet journal designs and themes so much easier. I also got some magnetic bookmarks because the ones I use are constantly falling out of my books, and then I got to try and find the page that I'm on, so I'm glad that I finally got some of these magnetic ones, and the designs are so pretty, and I'm really looking forward to using these as well. This cute little stamp that I got, I'm definitely wanting to get a few more. I just haven't really explored stamps as yet. I'm not sure why. I do think it's because I just like drawing all my designs so much that I don't really think, oh, let me stamp. But this one is very cute, and I think I will start to have a look into some more like simple designs like this one, and also some more practical type ones as well, like maybe a calendar layout or something like that, just to make habit trackers easier. this little bag is going to be so good for taking my stationery out with me when I'm setting up weekly spreads or whatever, so I'm really looking forward to that. And I've gotten a couple bags from Stationery Pal before and they never disappoint. They're just really nice practical bags that make sense for the majority of situations. Alright, so I know I'm probably super late with these, but I finally got one of these little corner rounders. I'm always using my scissors to round off my corners and I'm so done with it, so I'm glad that I got this one now because it's just going to make it so much easier when I'm rounding my corners off. This is probably one of the most exciting ones for me, so make sure you get one of these if you don't have one already, because trust me, I haven't even used it properly and it already feels 10 times easier. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, go subscribe to my channel and also subscribe to Stationery Pal's channel as well, which I will have linked in the description. Be sure to comment what products you liked best from the products that I've shown in the video today, and if you want to add your link to your favorite product from the website, then you can do that too. And this giveaway will be a surprise gift, so you know it's going to be amazing if you guys know about Stationery Pal. Make sure you guys use my code Zarina to get 15% off of your order, and then also to get an extra 30% off, use code NEWYEAR30, and make sure you apply both these codes if you want to get your maximum discount. You get a free gift with every checkout, and you also get a chance to win an alcohol marker set worth $39.99 just by buying a lucky draw ticket on checkout as well, and also free shipping when you spend $80 or more using the code FS2024. Also, my link to Stationery Pal will be in the description as well, and if you guys shop through that link, then it will just help out my channel a little bit. So make sure you guys place your orders on Stationery Pal while they have these promotions on. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, especially if you want to enter the giveaway, which all the details will be in the description. I can't wait to use some of this stuff in upcoming videos, and I hope you guys have a great week ahead, and I shall see you all in my next one.